Yeah, man, big up, big up.
Yeah. So guys, we literally just pull up at the car wash here, you know? And buck up that bridge now with the I name.
Soji, you know?
Soji.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, I make we know, say, boy.
Yeah, man, we follow the thing all the time, man. And I tell you, I say, it's an inspiration, because you don't know who you help more time, brother.
Why?
Help a lot of ways. Keep on doing the job, you know?
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Good job, in general.
Yeah, yeah.
I will way I follow the thing, and I would never have them thing. I would have them thing in our time, enough time. So your thing we have to right now, a positive thing to teach all of our youths.
Yes.
Money management.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't teach at a school, you know.
No, what them teach at school is how to get the best grade so you can become the best employees. You see what I say?
They don't teach about entrepreneurship.
No.
Money management.
They don't teach about that at all.
So
you know?
You know, and you show we say you do a guidance enough for we, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see what I say?
Yeah, man. We respect, man, and respect for the strength to see him. You see what I say?
Man.
Because encouragement is good too. Cause
it's good to get feedback from the audience.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm glad I see you now. I see you pull up and it's a joy.
Yeah.
You follow your thing properly, brother.
Respect, man.
And it's also a good thing for show a black man with a family like that. Because you show with that neither, you know.
Yeah, yeah. That's the next thing too. That image, that positive image. You know.
We get lost in that more time, you know. We are picking us up that. So you know, see a man and him queen, I did the right thing.
Yeah.
Around him. A positive role model influencer for we, you know. You see me I say that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's a joy.
You say you have a project where you deal with now?
Yeah, man, I just get a look-up program over the Heartlands, over there, so.
Heartlands, where's that?
All over road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that development?
Yeah, man, it just on the gate, you know.
Okay, okay.
So, we're about to start it, but you don't know, as I said, we're looking at year one, same field to the Airbnb route.
Yeah.
We are getting knowledge, we're going to the same thing, because that's the same plan. So.
Yep.
Yeah, man, that's the same revenue and the same idea.
Right.
So you are doing kind of following, like, gain the knowledge and education towards what we need to do, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that is the plan. So that's how we are following the thing.
Yeah, yeah, man.
I'm going to see how you are doing your thing.
Yeah.
One of the idea where I love the ear dryer thing.
Well, in the bathroom?
Yes, man.
Oh, that's from the first apartment. Okay.
I know, then that's how we follow the thing. Because not people even think about that.
True, because guess what now? You see, when we travel, right, you see the little things them where you like.
I incorporate into your
thing. You see me? So, at that, you know, so the one or two little things that we make the stay a little more pleasurable. Yes. We try to incorporate it back in our thing. Oh, it's not so loud like you.
No, man.
You realize? I don't know. No, I said before when him turn it on, it is loud, but not so loud now.
Yeah, man, it kind of settle now.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, they look at knowledge from people like yourself who have started the journey, so we learn from. So we continue monitoring the players and watching and learning.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
So you live overseas or you live in Jamaica?
Man. Well, back and forth. But in England more time.
Okay,
so
okay. Alright.
So
yeah, man.
That's the plan. Come back home permanently and get myself settled in certain ways.
Yeah, because you see, the thing is, as you see in Jamaica, living in Jamaica is very expensive.
Yes, man.
You know?
Yes,
but if you have the right cash flow, you're nice.
Income stream.
Yeah. You can live good.
That's we learn. You know,
right.
You use them to so we have to keep them to it. The only way to kind of really settle is when you make money when you're asleep.
True.
That passive income, one income now don't really.
No.
You have to have multiple streams of income. And them things that we try to teach, we do them.
Yes.
And we try to learn ourselves.
Right.
And it wasn't taught to us in a big way.
Correct.
It wasn't taught to us. You know, then people have the knowledge and keep it amongst them communities.
Yeah, man.
Keep it amongst themselves.
Yeah, what was promoted among the black communities, have a whole heap of children here and there, and you know, being in the streets. You get me? I say wearing the most expensive clothes, being in the streets, and you know that was what we were, you know, aspiring to.
You know, when I was saying maybe controversial, a lot of people. We not bash nobody who them get them things.
When
they get it.
When they get it, right.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
And so do it because a lot of people too we look up to them never get it straight.
Straight. There you go. That is true. Yeah, it's the reality we are talking. Yeah.
How them get it, but as long as they get it, they do the
right thing with it.
And straighten it up and do your thing. Do you see them big rapper them man, all of the big rapper them man, what keep them reach or them reach? When the studio them never have money to the studio, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man. They never have money for going to JC singing them song there.
Yeah.
And look on him now. We're not going to say we're going to be the next Jay-Z. But whatever we can be a poor family and we youth them, it's a joy, it's an inspiration. It's
yeah, man. So let me ask you, my general. Alright, so you live in the UK. Most people in Jamaica, I don't say most, but a lot of persons in Jamaica, they want to go to UK to live. They want to let yourself go off foreign. Why you decide say you want to come to Jamaica, come invest? Why your thing?
No matter where you're there, we probably speak to a lot of people though. A lot of people they back over to America, Canada, US. One do the same, you know. One the fear, the stigma, the crime and the whole of them things about.
Yeah.
Where you go do? Anywhere you're there now, things happen.
It's your yard this. Your yard.
Yes, our ground man.
Yeah man.
So I say we're not gonna run from it.
Yeah.
We have always invest. And if you don't invest in the country, it's going to continue to develop.
Yeah, it's going to leave you.
It's going to leave you. And look at the place, man. The whole development of one, man, and thing, man. I like to really over. We can speak to most people, yes. I like to them places.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no rivers to go in.
It's just work and home.
River and then for go big bread and no
yeah.
fish, so then for go.
Yeah,
They shop the road there, so you're going to buy a fish.
Yeah.
You don't get that. Back to work, people just live a monetary lifestyle, work.
And in between, I just snow. I just white, everything white out, you know?
England don't really snow that much.
Yeah.
When you're there.
Yeah,
but
true.
You get the bare rain.
Yeah, rain.
Yeah. And things. I like to do that.
Yeah.
That is just the honest truth.
True.
When you're back home,
yeah.
You invest back home, you have a little thing. You know, nobody not say if you go have 10 hours. You can't sleep in a 10 hours, you know?
No.
Yes, I say. You have a little humble aboard, you settle. Yeah. You can pay a little bills and you can buy your food.
Right.
Life chill this something.
Yeah, man.
That is for me. You can't speak for everybody else.
Yeah, everybody have different expectations for themselves.
Exactly.
True.
So we can only speak for you and I, man.
Yeah.
Brother?
Yeah, man. So you in it's a Ireland out of all our side there.
Yeah, man.
Is a scheme?
Yeah, man.
That scheme.
New development.
Okay, so yeah, set up the Airbnb out there.
Yeah, man. That is the plan.
Yeah.
Looking out for your thing and learning from your thing.
Respect, man.
Yeah,
respect.
Man,
and
thing. It's true what your wife has said.
Yeah.
As me I said, them things you do. Try to learn and follow them things. Anything you're going to, you have to study the field.
There you go. Right. Research. Yeah.
Part of me watching this thing is learning the field.
Because even me personally, when we decided to start Airbnb, as me say in our previous videos, I never even know there was a thing called Airbnb. You know, we just look on it like the market me I look on and the demand that was there because I have with a friend them back and forth.
Yeah.
When them come to Jamaica, them have to live with, them have to stay with family and not the most comfortable situation, you know? So
Airbnb development is a beautiful thing, man. Because everybody wants one hotel.
Right.
People want to have a kind of house
yeah, man.
Feel, a more settled feel, a more relaxed feel. But and everybody want to go back to where them come from.
Yes. There you go too, right. Because
everybody will knock your door.
Knock your door, yeah man. You're there in the place, you probably not pay no rent up front, but there are a lot of other things that you have to pay for which might end up cost you a lot in the long run, you know?
The Airbnb system is a good system, man. You know, I love how you do it, I love the investment to it.
Yeah, man. Yes, there you go. Because it's costly.
It's costly.
Setting up an apartment, a whole heap of money take. Doing it the right way, where you feel comfortable. You get me, I say?
As I say, you know, we have to learn and we have to read and you do what you have to do now. You put in the work now, that means you give you another 10 years, you settle back.
Yeah.
So you have to put in the work now, it's all about that. Do what you have to do now for kind of get settled back. And more time you can't just think about it now. No. You have to youth them.
Yes.
The EMS, we always set back at things so them can not go through the things that we have to go through.
There you go.
So I say,
yeah, man.
More settled and more comfortable. Give them a start.
Yes.
And we never get no start.
No, bro. Never get no start.
Deep and grind and work hard.
Boy, man, tell you, we need to really sit down and do a talk on like me and my wife,
the start.
Yeah, how we able to achieve it where we have so far, you know?
But I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah,
I love
man.
people see it and understand.
Yeah.
And they put, finance and banks and everything and how to get the mortgage. A lot of people don't understand them terms there.
Yeah.
Mortgage and how to even get it started and everything. So that would be a good video.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if you do it already,
Well, no, I'm not really going out in that aspect.
We know that a person.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. As I said, we're there with the teacher.
Yeah.
But as I said, big up to your wife.
Yeah, man.
Doing a great job on the day because you know, we need leaders.
Yeah.
Leaders come in different farms, and social media platform allow us to have leaders like yourself pop up.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Yeah, man. And
Yeah,
just
man.
continue doing the job.
And you inspiring too, you know, because the talk push
yeah,
me
man,
to continue, you know.
Yeah, man. And we are
Definitely.
we need people like you. We need a lot of things. Because the information is there, and people just have to look for it.
Yeah.
And take the time. Take
Yeah,
the time
man.
out to listen.
Yeah.
And go forward to where they want to do and accomplish.
Hey guys, as I said, my daddy car wash, you know, and we just that whole little reason with the general and thing, you know. And I mean, even from separate from the Airbnb aspect of things, you know, get to understand, say, even just the general family life and so on that we portray on YouTube, a lot of persons take inspiration from that as well, you know. And yeah, I mean, we really appreciate the love, you know, what we are getting, you know. Yeah, man. So, I mean, we encourage persons in the street and them so you know, say hi, you know. We know no person might a little shy, you see me, but yeah, you can reach out to man, no problem, man, you see it. Yeah, man. So, we always here to try to uplift our community, you get me, I say. But the general I say to a lot of persons will look on us as an example, you know. So we have similar skin color like them, you know. Say boy, you know, can come from humble beginnings and own house in a gated community too. You know what I mean? And yeah, I mean it's all attainable, guys. So as what I'm saying, you know, we are, you know, living example. We're not different, you know, we are one of you guys, you know, we just there try encourage and inspire you all, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, we just there do the thing, guys. So as I say, thanks to the General Sochi for stop by and, you know, all the small reason and thing, you know. So as I'm saying, come from the UK, so yeah, man.
Pick up you on the wife, pick up you on the kids, and long may it continue, big brother.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Long may it continue.
Cool.
Respect.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so
Guys.
see, we have a little reason and thing, so
Yeah, man. Big thanks.
hit the like button, guys. You see me I say, and subscribe. Alright, so we out, guys.
Alright.
Out. Yep.